So this church has been closed for a little while, and we thought that they were going to make it entirely a leasing opportunity for events and stuff like that, but we've just spoken to a very lovely gentleman doing some work inside, and that part of the church is reopening this Sunday as a church, which is awesome. And there is some beautiful stained glass in there that we're going to go and check out, and this side is the events room. So I've already been in there, and as I say, I thought that the whole church was going, but it isn't. It's staying as a church with events. So this side you can lease for events and stuff like that, which is damn awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Glass. The organ there. So you can have events and stuff in here. Wow. I mean, there is some history here, right? They're doing some work in here.
Two so far. Oh, it's not ready. We've had two so far. That's awesome.
Yeah, my mom and dad got married in the church.
Oh, really?
This is the events room. So the church is through there. You can't see, obviously. So the bright lights, that's the church. This is the other side, and that's going to be an events room. Eventually there'll be a stage just at the back there. And I just found out that the church is going to be reopening Sunday, still as a church, so that's awesome. Oh, look at these colours in here. Oh, I want to go up there. I said I want to go up there. Beautiful. So St. Paul's, beautiful, beautiful inside, and it's going to look lovely once it's reopened. He seems to have a lot of work to do in there, but he's getting on with it. Yeah, so what's today? It's Tuesday today, and it's meant to be opening on Sunday. I did wish him good luck. Fantastic.